Good morning, dear students of class 4th. Today in GK, we'll learn about plants. About plants, all of us know very well the greenery around us in our environment. Here and there, we can see many plants. Plants are living things and non-living things. We have read about that. Metals, books, and the things who have not oxygen, who have not breathe, they are non-living thing. But when we talk about living things, then animals, human beings, and plants came in our mind. They are living things. Today in this chapter, we'll read about deadly plants. Deadly means who can make die to any insect. Yes, let's read about that. So there are over 3,80,000 different kinds of plants on the earth. How much kind? It's 3,80,000 different kind of plants. And how do plants make their food? We all know very well that at the daytime, in sunlight, with the help of air and water, plants make their food. And plants observe carbon dioxide from the environment and relieve oxygen in the environment. Oxygen is breathing air of human beings, and human being release carbon dioxide. So plants make a very good process. Plants are very helpful for human beings as well as for environment also. There are some plants that trap insects to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. Now what is nitrogen? Nitrogen is a gas which is found in our atmosphere in the most percentage. And some plants does not get nitrogen from the environment, so they eat small insects. Insects, small type creatures like ant, any mosquito, any bug who sit over the plants. This is because these plants grow on waterlands where the soil is poor of nitrogen. And why do these plants don't get nitrogen? Because these grow up on the waterlands. Waterlands means most of the time these plants grow up at the waterside like ponds, oceans, and riversides. These plants need extra nitrogen for their proper growth. These are known as insectivorous plants. Which plant needs extra nitrogen for their growth? They are known as insectivorous plants. Okay, remember it. Plant's name is insectivorous plants. Now here are some types of plants which are insectivores. First plant name is Venus flytrap. Second, sundew. Third, bladderwort. Pitcher plant. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this chapter, we'll read about 4 types of deadly plants which fulfill their nitrogen need by the insects. Let's see how do they do this. First is Venus flytrap. Venus, fly, and trap. Here are 3 words. It has hinged leaves. You can see in this picture, this plant has hinged leaves. These are the leaves with sensitive hair on margins when an insect sits on its leaf. और जब कोई इंसेक्ट इस प्लांट की लीफ पर आकर बैठता है, द लीफ गैट्स फोल्डेड एट द हिंज. लीफ क्या होती है? फोल्ड हो जाती है हिंज पर. द फ्लाई ट्रैप देन चेंजेस द इंसेक्ट इनटू सूप एंड सॉक्स इट अप. और जब इंसेक्ट उसके फोल्डेड विंग्स में फंस जाता है, तो फ्लाई ट्रैप प्लांट उस इंसेक्ट को सूप बना देती है और उसको सॉक कर लेता है. सेकेंड प्लांट इज सनड्यू. सनड्यू. The leaves of this plant are covered with hair. You see, this is the sundew plant. The leaves of this plant are covered with hair, sparkling with dew like drops of glue. और उस पर कुछ ड्यू के स्पार्कल होते हैं जो ग्लू की जैसा दिखता है. As the insect sits on the leaf. और जैसे ही कोई इंसेक्ट आकर इसकी लीफ पर बैठता है, इट गेट स्टक. तो वो उसको एकदम से स्टक कर लेता है. द लीफ फोल्ड्स. लीफ फोल्ड हो जाती है. ट्रैप्स द इंसेक्ट एंड डिसॉल्व्स इट इनटू अ लिक्विड दैट इट ड्रिंक्स अप. अब जब वो इंसेक्ट इसके ऊपर आकर बैठता है, तो सनड्यू की लीव्स एकदम से फोल्ड हो जाती हैं और इंसेक्ट को एक लिक्विड में चेंज कर देती हैं और उसको ड्रिंक कर लेती है. Here is a difference. Venus flytrap soak the soup of insect and sundew plant dissolves the insect and drink its liquid. So remember this difference between Venus flytrap and sundew. Third one is bladderwort. See, this is the picture of bladderwort. What is the name of the plant? Bladderwort. Yes. It is an underwater meat eating plant. ये जो plant है ये underwater में होता है and it eats meat. There are bubble shaped bags along its leaf. इसकी leaves पर bubble shape के bags होते हैं. These bags suck in the creatures along with water. और ये बैग क्रिएचर को पानी के अंदर ही सक कर लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज पिचर प्लांट. पिचर यू नो दैट इज टाइप ऑफ पोट you have seen somewhere around you. Leaves of this plant are modified into a pitcher like structure with a lid. See, this is the pitcher plant. You can see in this picture. इस प्लांट की जो लीव्स होती हैं वो पिक्चर का शेप ले लेती हैं एंड दिस वन पोर्शन वो इसका लिड बन जाता है. लिड मीन्स कवर, कैप. द इनर वॉल ऑफ दिस पिक्चर इज वेरी स्मूथ. द पिक्चर कंटेन्स अ लिक्विड एट इट्स बॉटम. पिक्चर के लिक्विड बॉटम में एक लिक्विड होता है. एज द इंसेक्ट सिट्स ऑन द ब्रिम ऑफ द पिक्चर, it slips into the liquid which digests it up. और जैसे ही कोई इंसेक्ट इस प्लांट के अपर पोर्शन पर आकर बैठता है वो स्लिप हो जाता है उस लिक्विड में और उस लिक्विड में स्लिप होने के बाद पिचर प्लांट उसको डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है. In this box here is a fact. There are 500 known species of insectivorous plants. 500 species. First of all, we have read that 3,80,000 different kind of plants on our earth. Now the fact is about insectivorous plants. 500 known species of insectivorous plants. So here is one more fact about fly traps. The fly traps can count also. इनको हम count भी कर सकते हैं. When an insect touch the hair on its leaf for the first time. जब फर्स्ट टाइम कोई फ्लाई ट्रैप के ऊपर इंसेक्ट आकर उसे टच करता है, द ट्रैप कीप्स ओपन, तो वो ट्रैप खुला हुआ रहता है. ट्रैप मीन्स जाल. बट व्हेन इट टच द हेयर फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम, और जैसे ही वो उस प्लांट के हेयर को सेकेंड टाइम टच करता है, द ट्रैप शट्स अप, तो फटाफट से वो ट्रैप शट अप हो जाता है, बंद हो जाता है. सो टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट सम डेडली प्लांट्स who suck or drink or dissolve or digest insects themselves to get nitrogen so that they can make their food. Okay, thank you.